Right, so I've been on. Hope you all had a Christmas. So I've recently started getting parrotfish, and now I've got some dwarf blue tiger parrot cichlids. Convicts, sorry. And I've got a pair recently have laid eggs. I don't know if you can see, she's mothering them in there. And you can hardly see with cameras crap. She's mothering them in there at bottom, look. Keeps going up and down, up sides. So this is like day 3. We all started things, so we'll keep you updated on them anyway. And on step by step of them growing up. So follow, like and subscribe. And there's loads of eggs all over here as well, look. You see them all over. They're everywhere. They're for my big parrots, but I've took them out because these, I've separated them because I don't want the big ones to eat them. So, and these are going to be really protective of them. I must be put white parrotfish in as well. He's hiding at a minute. I don't know what he's doing. He's chilling. He's hiding away. Well, he's not dead. He's just chilling. Yeah, we've got some more in there.